What's up? So here it is, the magic list. The list that is going to make you fortunes. See, you probably heard of the Cyberkong's genesis producing bananas. 10 bananas. It fluctuates 84 dollars per banana, $97 per banana, $75 per banana, but this is roughly the range. And if you're earning 10 bananas at the price of 84, that is $840 per day from just one Cyberkong's genesis. Now imagine if you had more than one. Imagine if you were able to mint these. See, this is the revolution now, the game changer, the next level. So what you have to do is, I was checking the Cyberkong's genesis. Actually, the floor for those is 138 ETH. So not a lot for those who can't afford it. Well, there's going to be other opportunities. But let's talk about the passive yield power for the NFTs and how you can capitalize on that. The Cyberkongs is I would say the most popular one right now in terms of the Genesis versions. But since the Genesis Kongs started it, there's been a lot of people that are trying to copy what they are doing. See, once you have a Cyber Genesis Kongs, it produces 10 bananas, and you can convert those bananas into USD tokens. Now, as you can see, the top list is the ones that are currently live, and the bottom list is going to be the announcement, the upcoming, and I suggest, if you want to, not when I say suggest, you should take notes, because this is going to be the next revolution for the NFT market. And NFT is just getting bigger. You heard Coinbase getting into it. You heard Vista getting involved, creating their own platform. So they see the potential, they see the opportunity, they see where it is going. But let me tell you right now, you probably heard of these projects: Cyberkong's Genesis, Stacked Toads, Zombie Mice, right? Wicked Ape Bone Club. You probably heard of these projects, right? Now, if you can get them at a floor price, then that is, or a relatively low price, then you're making some serious income. Once you hold more than one, then I wouldn't say you're serious income. If it's you hold 20 of these, then you're a good position. But let's say you just want to supplement your income, a $15 per day, $62 per day, $20 per day, $5 per day. It's not a big amount, but it's over time it adds up, right? So this is what we need to do, and this is how you can, if you're working at a job right now, you can quit from that, or Like some people, they go to a third world country and they use the funds from this to live off. Because let's say you're making $20 per day, right? You can live off that when you're in Bali, even $10 per day, depending on which area you live in. So it's definitely doable, depending on where you're at. But I'm here to show you what is possible. And if you have a Cyberkong Genesis 840, that's more than professors, some engineers actually, uh, doctors, depending on what kind, nurses, more than a lot of professionals. So I want you to do your research in terms of what project you want to get into, what project is going to be the best in return, the team, the development, the community. And the Cyberkong community is a very strong community. Lots of smart people in there. Lots of, I don't know, there's probably whales in there. But do your research, do your due diligence. But here's the upcoming projects: Bears Deluxe, Cool Cats, Distopunks, Galactic Apes, Mutant Cats, Rat NFT, Sneaky Vampires, Syndicate, the Dodge Pound. I'm a holder. What is this? Uninterested Unicorns, Winter Bears, Bored Ape Yacht Club. See, these yacht club are trying to do the same thing. And the yield is going to be honey, milk. They have their own type of yield. Just like Cyberkong's Genesis, they have bananas. Each one have their own type of yield. Now, what you want to do is, if these are too high for you, right, too high to get in, then I suggest you get yourself on the wait list, the pre-list, or win a giveaway. That's going to be the best way for you to do it. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. But what you want to do is you research, because passive income is amazing. So I had some Amazon. I sold on Amazon and it's still selling. And then you just get passive income from that. So if you have, wake up every single day, you don't have to work, and these tokens or these NFTs are producing tokens and they're helping you make money residually, then essentially you have a way for you to supplement your income. So that's pretty much it. Screenshot this, take a picture, take notes, do your research, get on the whitelist, get in the Discord channel, get involved with the community, follow the Twitter, because this list there's probably more, but these are the ones that I just came across, and I did the heavy lifting for you and documented it, and now it's time for you to act upon the information given to you, because I don't want you to be late to the party. Got it? Well, that's pretty much it. You know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe. Hit the bell. Peace.